welcome to our ETech podcast. We are Group 3 from our section Pernas.
Today, we will share our journey in empowerment technologies from quarter 1 to quarter 2.
Lahat ng challenges, experiences, and learnings.
So sit back, relax, and join us as we talk and technology empowered us and as a student. So our first question is, what have we learned about the internet, its benefits, advantages, and disadvantages of it?
I've learned that internet is important to us dahil nakakatulong ito sa pakikipag-communicate with others and sa pag-search online, like paghanap ng information, and napapadali nito ang ating buhay as students at sa mga workers. Pero may bad effects naman ito, like sobrang paggamit and fake news. Yun lang.
Internet can help us in many ways. We can easily access informations with just one search. But it also has its disadvantage. Like misinformations and cyberbullying.
Para sa akin, ang internet ay nakakatulong. Magsisimula tayo sa benepisyo. Nakakatulong ito sa mga applications like Google Form, YouTube, and Facebook. And ang advantage nito ay mas napapadali nito ang mga gawain. Para sa mga manual na ginagawa, mas mapapadali na ngayon kasi mas advanced. And para sa disadvantage is mas nagiging mapadali ang pagkalat ng fake news and pag-hack sa mga iba't ibang devices kasi nga mas nagiging high-tech na ngayon.
Now, let's move to the next question. Ano naman yung mga activities or projects na ginawa natin?
Una, ang aking prioridad na sasabihin ay ang website kasi doon ako natuto kung paano gumawa ng isang campaign na nakakatulong sa maliit na issue na magbibigay solusyon sa atin.
Then next.
And through that, we develop new skills like creativity, teamwork, and time management. It's not easy, but it's fulfilling.
Pinangalanan din gumawa rin kami ng advocacy na nagngangalan ng Think Before We Act. Yung advocacy namin, it's about, ano ba?
Proper conduct and manners.
Well, yung advocacy namin is about proper conduct and manners. We want to share awareness to those people na hindi nila pinag-iisipan yung nila, actions. Yes. Galing.
And the social cues.
Next question.
Pwede na conversation natin? Go.
So,
Diretso.
Next question, di ba? Since every journey natin nga may mga challenges. So, what was the hardest part of our ETech experience? Ano yung pinakamahirap sa atin na encounter sa Jai?
Sige ba siya?
Sakon?
Siya na rin?
Ako ba?
Mag-iba ka mesa.
Magtagalog tayo
Ay, ulit.
Ayan.
Pakiulit ang iyong question ni Dan.
So, what was the hardest part of our ETech experience?
Okay.
For me kat yung pag hanap ng design at yung ibang group mates.
Actually. Gadyoy eh.
Ikaw,
Kasi hindi sila tumutulong.
For me, nag-enjoy virtual nga activities kasi most na paggawa ng activities is naka-premium or ada bayad na. And medyo hassle kasi ada bayad na.
DJ.
Dagijay, activities nga, ako kawak. Dagijay
Go lang.
Ano may ka, DJ? Next. Next. Go in.
Dagijay activities nga, kasang kumati survey, tapos kat dagijay likes. Nagrigati ag sapol ti respondents kan dagijay ag ti likes or followers.
Nang ron ano dagi jay pangisesendam ket i-heart da lang, di ba? Hanggang sana. Ben, tun makaawi dak kasjay. Kadyo na inobrak sa bali nga ron. Kasjay.
Yan lalo ng taon unem amom. Hassle talaga.
Kasi di mamot pangasan lang.
Ayan. So, next question.
Nakot pa. Next question is since na question yung hardest part of e-tech experience natin, yung yung memorable experience, yun? For me, ngayon. Diba? Awan eh. Memorable. Speaking of memorable, DJ ano ba?
Feel ko tata kasi papatay lang eh.
Sika ay ready.
Kanya ket tata kasi tatanak lamang anti na imas na Jack ni ragsakan. Kaya hindi agad namin na website which is first time ko purchase the premium tapos namuak nga adugay mang view ito recent nga website hindi pinindot ko na analytics.
Like sabasabad, kakasabali ibang bansa.
Diba
Nga handemet expectaran nga. Diyan ting expectaran nga at damit talaga mang visit DJ website tayo.
Which is 600.
600 na.
600.
Hindi nice.
Diba? Hindi pala viewers nga Jackie na yan.
So the last question, guys, how will you apply your learnings from e-tech to real life? So for me, I will continue to use my social media for good, to share positivity.
Possibly.
Positivity and share awareness to people.
Brianna.
Shockmet kat. Kada ito nga knowledge ko ti e-tech. Mabalin ko tulungan ni mama. Ago brati school papers na like lesson plan kasi nanayunan ti knowledge ko ti about kasta technologies kasta kada panagaramit form ganyan.
Kanyak metket
For the eat. Mag-ASMR.
Go.
it taught me how to stay safe in online. Kasi lang ko may amo.
Hijay lang.
Ken
Stay safe.
di agaramit ti DJ Google Forms kumakasa ka jay. Mausar to ka DJ research.
Yes. Galing, oh. Tayo na. Ay,
Kanya ket ano question?
how will you apply your learnings from ETech in real life?
I-emphasize ko man yung advocacy to spread awareness na gijiyan daw na makikita. And to be honest, DJ advocacy hindi more on prominent issue DJ rather ket na siya mismo na marami DJ kasi makikita hindi ka DJ recent classmates ko tapos hanggang naging normalized so na through public iso niya rami advocacy nan about DJ. Tapos na makita mo sa website niya na naka-emphasize DJ nga articles that Filipinos are indisciplined. DJ.
Some.
Ay!
Some.
Tinagan ko pa lang ba? Men?
Hindi ka gagal. So, yun. Yep. So, you know what, guys? After everything we did in ETech, I realized na technology isn't just a tool or apps. It's really a way to connect, create, and inspire other people. DJ.
Yes! For me, Metcat, ETech taught us not only technical skills but also digital responsibility. I've learned that every click, post, or message we make online can have impact. Either positive or negative. Kaya dapat lagi tayong mindful.
I agree, and I also learned that teamwork really makes a difference. Hindi magiging successful ang journey namin kung wala ang cooperation ng bawat isa. Ngayon, dagay kami dumagat handa makiko-cooperate. From brainstorming to filming to editing, lahat may ambag.
Real.
Madi gaya. Da kami lang gaya.
So as we end this podcast, we just want to say that ETech isn't just about computers, or neither is it just a tool. It's Mary Joy. It's about how we, as students, can use technology for good. And to be honest, ETech is empowering. Without Sir Floor, I couldn't have expanded my knowledge towards my skills by this subject. And yeah.
So, once again, we are Group 3 from our section, Bernas. And this has been our ETech journey.
Si Amin.
1, 2, 3, go.
Ay, win. Si Amin.
1, 2, 3, go.